During reading today, we will be learning about inferencing. We're going to use our schema plus text, which will give us our inference. And the story that we're going to use is The Gingerbread Man. We already have read The Gingerbread Man, so now we are going to make inferences about a character. We're going to think really hard about a character that we want to write about that was in the Gingerbread Man story. Can anybody think of one? Great. We can use the Gingerbread Man. So we're going to make an inference. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use our schema, something that we already know, and what we read in the text. So when we're reading, we did not get all the information that we wanted about the Gingerbread Man. But we can make an inference about him because of what we already know and what we have read. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill out this graphic organizer called The Proof is in the Character. The character that we're going to choose is going to be the Gingerbread Man. Then we need to come up with some traits. Can we think of traits for the Gingerbread Man? Great. Who can name some? Yes, hopeful, happy, determined, persistent, tough, friendly, naive. Great. Those are all traits of the gingerbread boy or the gingerbread man that we read about. Since these are all the traits, now we're going to think about the traits and what kind of gingerbread man he is. We need to prove it. So think about 2 of the traits that you want to talk about the gingerbread man, and then we're going to talk about how we can prove that he is these traits. Raise your hand if you have an idea of which one you want to use. Okay, happy. Who can think of another one? Pick another one. Good job. Naive. Okay, so now we have happy and naive. So we would write happy and then we would write naive. Now it says proof. We're going to have to prove how he is happy in the story and how he is naive in the story. Go ahead and get out your graphic organizer. Fill out the character's name. Give him a picture. Write down the 2 traits. And then give me 2 proofs of how you know he is happy and how you know he is naive. I'm going to give you about 10 minutes. Great. Let's look at some of them. We have a picture of the gingerbread boy. Trait happy. The trait is naive. Now we need to prove it. What did we write? The gingerbread man is happy because no one can catch him. B, he is naive. Let's see if they wrote why he's naive. The fox tricks the gingerbread man and eats him. Are these 2 good proofs? Yes. We know what these words mean. That is our schema. We know what it's like to be happy. We know what it is to be naive, or we know how someone can be naive. And we use text information to make the proof. So now we made an inference about the gingerbread man. We know he is happy because he's able to get away, and he's happy that no one can catch him. He's naive because the fox tricked him and ate him. And that is how you use your schema plus the text to make an inference. Almost like a prediction, but you're using what you already know and what you have read to make an inference.